I'm saying hello today on May the 25th, 2010 from beautiful Oviedo in Asturias, Spain, from the Hotel Barceló Oviedo Cervantes with my local representative here, Paula Alvarez. Thank you for taking me on this tour. I appreciate it.
No.
And this is one of the meeting rooms, right?
Yes, that's one of the bigger meetings that we have here in this floor. Okay, all this floor is for meeting.
Okay.
This meeting we can open here this panel.
So you can connect these two meeting rooms.
Yes, and we have a bigger meeting that is around 120. It's for 120 people.
Okay.
In sitting theater style.
Very good. And you obviously have all the audio-visual facilities for holding meetings and all that.
Internet connection.
Internet connection, yes.
3G.
Exactly.
For phone and whatever you need.
Perfect. I actually wanted to walk through here.
Yes.
And show some of the interior decor features. Very, very modern hotel, opened in late 2007. You can see some of the decor looking down into the lobby area. Lots of mirrors. And heading over now, I think this is also meeting area. And one of the distinguishing interior design features are these chains here. Lots of chains that are used as decorative elements. Interesting modern paint canvases, as you can see. And then there's an office space up here, and some nice vases. Everything in a very modern dark brown type of decor. And lots of meeting space.
Yes, we are going to show you. It's a little bit smaller than that. Usually the meeting that we have is around 30, 40 people.
Okay, so 20 to 30 people. So here we have a smaller meeting room, also with lots of daylight. Yeah, two big walls where you have daylight and lots of seating. So in here, theater style, how many people can you fit into this room here?
45.
45. So quite a few people.
Yeah.
Great, and a nice lovely view. There we go. Down on the Calle Cervantes.
That's right.
Cervantes Street. Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Paula.
You're welcome.